Good morning, students. As you know, we have completed our first chapter. We will start our second chapter, that is hardware and software. So now, as you know, computer is an electronic device. So it has many parts. You know the parts, that is monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. Now, there are mainly two parts of computer, that is hardware and software, which makes the computer work properly. So what is a hardware? The physical parts of a computer that we can touch and see are called hardware. Now hardware is further divided in three categories, that is input device, output device and storage device. So what is the input device? The devices with the help of which we can give input to the computer is known as input device. For example, mouse, keyboard, webcam. Okay. Now what is an output device? The device with the help of which we can see the output from the computer is known as output device. For example, what are the example? Monitor. We can see now in the screen of the monitor all the output. Then printer, we can get the hard copy of the output. Then speaker, we can listen to the music. That is also one kind of output. Now, what is storage device? The devices used for storing data in the computer is known as storage devices. Example, RAM, CD, hard disk, pen drive. Okay. Hard disk is the main storage device which stores all the information of the computer. Now, let's move on to the next topic, that is software. So, what is a software? Software is that part of a computer which cannot be seen and touched. To make the computer and the hardware work properly, we need software in it. Now, let's see a diagram in the next page how the computer works. As you can see, we can give the input from the keyboard and mouse. The CPU of the computer processes it and shows the output in the output device, that is the monitor. But who is doing all this work? The software. The software that we have installed in the computer, it helps to do all the processing. Now, the software is further divided into two categories, that is system software and application software. So, what is a system software? It is a set of programs that controls the overall working of a computer. Operating system is the part of system software that makes our computer run. So, what are the example of system software? Okay, Windows 7, then Windows 10. Yes, these are operating systems that are included in system software. It manages all input and output operations. It also manages the link between the different parts of a computer and the user. Now, let's move on to the next topic, application software. Application software. The software that helps us to do a specific type of work is called application software. So, example of application software, MS Paint, calculator, MS Word, WordPad, then different types of games. These are the part of application software because it does a specific type of application. Okay, that's all for today. This much is only there in the chapter 2. So, see you in the next class and please complete your worksheets on time. Thank you and have a nice day.